If you need any email management assistant, this is the perfect video for you. Hi everyone, Abdurrahman, and in this video, I will show you the step-by-step to follow to build an AI email management that can send an email, draft an email, label it. Ready to go? Let's dive right into the build. We'll quickly move to n8n. After signing, we sign in, it will go to this page. We'll create a new workflow. We'll just press on the workflow, it will create a new workflow. It's loading. If it loads, we will rename it by double clicking on this my workflow. You can name it whatever you want. For me, I will name it email agent. It will automatically save if you press enter. Then you will click the plus button. It will show you this trigger. We'll select a node, a trigger that will activate the workflow. We'll search for chat, which will use chat trigger, this second trigger, the native n8n trigger, which will chat to our agent. We'll tell the agent what we need. We'll just go back to canvas. We'll click the back to canvas. Here's the interface. We'll click the plus button again to add our AI agent. Just add AI agent. Here's it. We'll click it. We'll click the back to canvas. We can connect chat. Define below anyone, you can choose anyone, but for this one it will be connect chat. This system message will just prompt it, will tell the AI agent what is it work, what will it do. Will construct it, will tell it work, will train it of what it will do. Since it is a email management assistant, we'll just say it, you are a helpful assistant that manage and you are a helpful assistant that manage an email. Yeah, let's say it, you need to be expert in the email management. We'll just tell it its job. We'll tell the AI agent what is its job, what should it do. You should use the tools. Use the tool for any email management. You will define some tools below it. Yes, we'll just go back to canvas. Here's the AI agent. Now we'll choose a module. You can choose any module, but for me we'll use OpenAI, which is the most popular module. You can create a new credential, which will just go to OpenAI API, get a new key, then back to canvas. We'll add memory so that it can remember our previous conversation. Context window length, you can add 5, you can add it to 10, but I'll leave it 5. For me, I'll leave it 5. Back to canvas. We will add a tool, which these tools are the email management, which will add a tool that will give the AI agent, which can send an email or draft it or label an email based on what we told the AI agent to do. We'll just search for the email tool. We'll create a new credential. For the credential, we will just click the new credential. Yes, we actually will just go to move to Google Cloud. Just go to new tab and search for Google Cloud. Google Cloud, yes. Yeah, we'll click this first link, Google Cloud. It will take us to the Google Cloud. It's loading. Google Cloud. We'll just click the Google Cloud. It is loading. We'll click to the console. It will take us to this page. It's loading the page. Just wait for it for a few moments. Yeah, we'll just agree and continue. If it continue loading, we'll select the country, our country, for me Nigeria. Agree, and continue. Yes, we'll select a project. We'll create a new project. Select a project. Since it's a new account, we don't have any existing project. We'll just create new project. We'll click the new project there. We'll name the project name. For me, I'll name it set email agent. Then create. We select on the project there that was created. It's creating the project. If it's then we just select it. Now we need to I think we'll move to the API and services. Here's the API services. We'll enable API and services. Click there. Then if it finish loading, we'll search for Gmail. Which this cloud will simply enable our Gmail, which will give n8n access to our Gmail. This n8 will give access to our Gmail. We have two connection. This service account or auth recommended auth, but we'll just use the auth, which will just sign in with Gmail and continue. But we need to start enabling the Gmail API before then. It's taking time. Just wait for it for a few moments. Few moments. Yeah, here's it. I think we are almost ready to go. We'll just search for the Gmail. We'll click the search and search for Gmail. We'll hit the enter or click that search icon, which it will search for the Gmail. We'll just search for the Gmail API. It will search for the Gmail API. Okay, we select the Gmail API. We'll enable it, which will give n8n access to our Gmail account. If we do not enable the Gmail, n8 can't have access to our Gmail account. So this step is very important. Make sure you watch it carefully and enable your Gmail API. So we'll just wait for it. After it enable the API, you see, I think it's successful. Here's it, enable services. It will just sign in with Gmail. We'll just continue with our n8 workflow. Now we have already enabled Gmail API. Now we just need to sign in. Click the sign in with Gmail, then select your Google account or use another account for a client or something there. This place will select all, which will give any access to read our email, but you can choose, you can give it limit, but for me I'll just select all, then I'll continue. You'll see connection successful. Now n8n has access to this current Gmail that we connect it with it. This is very simple, just drag and drop, do some manual tasks. These two, it will send the email to who? We'll just set defined by automatically by the module, which is the AI that will chat with it. It will define which email, which subject, which message you can. This we need to append this n8n attribution. If not, it will set this message was sent by n8n. Yeah, here's the first tool we add to it. We'll add another tool, which I think this will add a tool that can draft an email. It will draft an email to someone that will tell it. Now we have already connected our credential, we don't need to connect another. If you connect it once, it will be there. Yes, it now we'll, I think we'll get the is it no operations. See, there's many type of operation that you can perform here. Mark as read, mark as already, remove label, what you can choose delete a message. You can do anything you think with this, but you just use the resources. Let's just draft an email. Yes, we need to draft an email. Set create. See, it will create a draft. It will not delete it, it will create a draft. So we'll just click this so that it will automatically be defined by the AI module that we are using. Now this one we didn't need to find any AI any attribution. We can also rename it by double clicking on this name. For me, I'll just name it, let's say draft an email, so that it will be more understandable. We'll also click the plus button to add. You can drag and drop it so that you can organize it however you want. You can zoom in, zoom out by this plus and minus button here in the bottom. You will click the plus button on the tool for the tool to add a label, which it can label, it can create a new label. Got it? We'll just click on the label. Let's create, not get many, we'll just create a new label. I think no, you need to create a new label. Yes, create a new label. This invoices, I think, is the name that you will name the label. Yes, what will you name the label? For me, yeah, you know, I'm cyber, just name it cyber, but you can name it whatever, like maybe it's for customer support agent or something there. Now we are at the final trap. I'll just name it, I'll double click on the note, the name, so that it will be easier for me to understand what this note is doing. I think you're supposed to be saving it, if not you can lose your data. Yeah, we'll open the chat. Click on the open the chat. Let's chat with our agent. Hi. See, it is running, and he said, how can I assist you with your email today? You know, it have already know that this AI agent is for email. It's even saying, how can I assist you with your email today? Said, can you send an email can you send an email to let me expand this place so that you will be seeing the response to my friend. Can you send an email to my friend? Like said, let's see what we have. He said, sure. Could you provide me with your friend's email address, subject you would like to send? Sure. Let me tell it. my email different. I just said my friend email, but actually it's my email. Yes, I'll give it my email, abdurrahman.dev@gmail.com, and I'll tell it to it should what will it ask it, what will it ask me, the what will it send to the Gmail, sorry, that ask him about what is going on in the AI space. Click the enter. Yes, it is executing. You see, it send the email. It just send the email. Yes, you see this one item in this email. Just send the email. Let's even read the reply. What it reply with. Just send an email. Let's even check. Yeah, here's it. It sent an email to me. See, said inquiry about the AI space. Hello, how? It sent an email just now. Just send this email just now. It's very powerful automation. You don't need to write manual email now. See, you said the email has been sent to your phone. Ask him about what is going on in the AI space. Is there anything else would you like me to do? Draft a personalized email to cyber. Drive an email to cyber, and see, I know it will start asking me about like what subject, what email would it ask it, because it have already a memory. This simple memory that we added it, that will enable it to like ask us which type of email will you want it to send, what is the subject, what is the message. You can add subject the message by yourself, but you can also tell it just ask the person that you want to send the email to about this and that. Just ask him about this and that. Now let's say there are a personalized email to server@gmail.com. Let me see what will it send back to me. This run the workflow. AI agent is using the simple memory to number of previous conversation. It is using the AI agent to see for the prompt we told it. It checked the simple memory almost 2 times. I see 2 items almost 2 times. Yeah, I think, yeah. He said no. He said, could you please provide the subject and message content? Okay. See, you want to draft about my AI agency company. You see, if you're in the model too, I said please provide the message content include the web and AI email agency. It is asking us about which type of Gmail do you want it to draft, which message, which subject, because you can just say, you can tell the agent, you can prompt it well and just tell it should send any type of email, but this is the easiest way to do it. Just tell it manually, and then just about this topic, you can tell it send an email about this. So for me, I'll just say about how to start the company. We build AI solution for businesses. Also, by the way, if you are a business owner and you need any AI solution for your company which can save your time, add you more profit, just feel free to reach out to me. We could automate anything in your business, any workflow, any repetitive tasks. We can automate it for you. Yeah, here's it. I have drafted an email about how to send. Yeah, you just draft an email. You just draft the email right now. Let me try to create a label called customer support. Yeah, just using the agent, the OpenAI model. Simple mode. Yeah, set the label customer has been created. If you need any feature assistance, please let me know. Oh, this is the complete step to build an AI email assistant. If you want to learn how to build a LinkedIn post agent, click the video.